welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you here today. So my name is Jemima. I'm a content creator and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So in today's video, we're talking about why your YouTube channel is not growing. So let's get right into. So if you have been posting consistently, as most people will say, post consistently and your channel is going to blow up. Post consistently and you keep having views and subscribers you want. No, I'm not saying you shouldn't post consistently. I'm not saying you shouldn't post every day if you have the time, if you have the opportunity to. I'm not saying that. But what I'm trying to say here is that those things actually do work, but not neglecting the other great parts that you could add to it to make it work. Anyways, in today's video, that is why I'm going to be sharing with you reasons why your channel is not growing and also what you can do to make it to grow. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that when you want to create content, it must be engaging, it must fit the description of your channel. First reason your channel is not growing is because you have not figured out what exactly you want to do on YouTube. Yes, like I'm damn serious about it. You have not figured out what you really want to do on YouTube, because you can't come to YouTube and say, okay, I want to post content on makeup, like I want to create content on makeup, everything that relates to makeup, eyelashes, how to do your eyebrows and the rest of it all, and then after doing that for like 3 months you switch over to something else and say, okay, no, I'm no longer interested in that, I'm now interested in the cooking channel. It doesn't work that way. You can't keep moving, or you can't keep creating videos on different things. Let's say today you make videos on cooking, tomorrow you make videos on makeup, next tomorrow you make videos on tailoring and all that. You don't know what you want to post. Like, your subscribers will even be confused and they'll be wondering, please, what's going on here? Why is there cooking? Why is there this? Why is there that? And all sort of it. So you must find out what exactly it is that you want to do on YouTube. Now you can grow your channel the way you want it. The next reason why you're not going on YouTube is because you are not focusing on your channel analytics. Now, your channel analytics is there for you to identify your strengths, your weaknesses, which video is doing well, which one is not doing well, and all sort of things like that. So when you are not even paying attention to the details you have on your analytics, please, you can't go there. Like, there's no two ways about it. You need to make sure that you focus or you pay more attention to your analytics. Like, this will give you important information about your audience. It's going to tell you, okay, these are the age range of people that are watching your videos. Okay, people from this country are really interested in your video. It's just going to give you crucial information, so you'll be able to direct also you'll be able to focus more on the kind of content you should create and the kind of content you should not create at all. So from now henceforth, make sure you focus on your channel analytics, because it is going to do you a whole lot of good. Now, the third reason why your channel is not growing is because you are not interacting with your audience. Like, the engagement rate on your YouTube channel is so low that when somebody comments or when somebody likes your video, when somebody does anything on your YouTube channel, you don't reciprocate. When somebody leaves a comment saying, okay, thank you, I enjoyed watching your video and stuff like that, you don't like the comment. You don't even leave a comment in response to the comment you already made. Please, how would your channel grow? YouTube tend to promote videos that are doing well in terms of engagement and in other aspects. So when somebody watches your video and the person leaves a good comment, you can comment by saying, okay, thank you so much for watching. Would you like to recommend a topic for the next video? Just ask questions so that you can increase the conversation and, of course, increase your engagement rate on YouTube. And this is a good way to grow your channel, like a very, very good and authentic way to grow your channel. You can also use pinned comments to drive engagements. Like, you can leave a comment and then pin it. I don't know if you know how to do that.
Hey guys, so this is how to add a pinned comment. All you need to do is to click on the video where you want to add a pinned comment. So just click on that video of your choice. So I'm just going to pause that. Then you click on the comment section of that video. Then add a comment. Let's say we want to add so just type that in and then you click on paste. That's sent. That means now your comment has been added. Now, to make it a pinned comment, all you need to do is to click on those 3 dots here. I don't know if you can see that. So click on the 3 dots and then where you have pin, you click on pin. Now, if you already pinned a comment, just replace it. So just click on pinned and now you have a comment pinned to this exact video. So that is how to add a pinned comment to your videos. So once you just refresh the video, you see your pinned comment right there. So it's going to show you up here, pinned by Jemima George. And you can also pin other people's comment. Like if somebody commented on the video and you love the comment, you can decide to pin the person's comment. Okay, let me head on to another video and then show you how to pin others' comments, because I don't have any comments on that video currently. Now this is okay, these are comments already. Let's say I want to pin this one right here. So I'm just going to click on the three button, click on pin, and then pin. Now this comment has been pinned. Now if anybody comes to watch this video, the first comment the person is going to see is the pinned comment, the one I pinned, and this is it right here. This is it. So that is how to pin a comment on YouTube to drive more engagement.
And you can also do this by adding a link to a video on the pinned comment, telling people that okay, you can also watch that video in the comment section. Just go click on it, or you can ask a question and then tell them to reply under that your comment. This also is a good way to drive engagement on your YouTube channel. Now the fourth reason why your YouTube channel is not growing is because you are not utilizing cards and end screen. Now cards are things that you see up here, I don't know, somewhere around this way, that when somebody is trying to talk about something and the person already made a video related to that, the person is just going to tell you, okay, I'm going to leave it here on the iCard. So you just click on the link up here to watch that video. Now cards are a very good way to also boost your channel growth, because when you leave a link up there, people can easily click on it and then see what that video is all about if they are interested. And also end screen too also works perfectly fine. Like at the end of the video, like at the end of any of your video, you can also add end screen. You can decide to put a playlist, a video or two videos, and your subscribe button and all that, but you must make sure that you always use end screen and cards for your videos. Like those tools are very useful when it comes to YouTube growth. And now the fifth reason why your YouTube channel is not growing is because you don't change your file name. Like whenever you film a video, you just upload it the same way that it saves on your phone, or maybe after editing that video. Now the next thing you need to do when filming a video, editing a video, is for you to change the file name. Like, you know, on your phone or on when after editing, it's going to show you like vid, like maybe a video, then it's going to add the date 02 or the date of which you filmed the video and all that. Now it is highly necessary that you change the file name of any of your videos you want to post. Probably you can change it to a more SEO friendly title, or something that is related to the video that you've created. Let's say for this video now, the title is why your YouTube channel is not growing. You can use that as your upload name when posting your next video. Another reason why your YouTube channel is not growing is because your video is boring, like it is not fun to watch. I know you must have spent hours creating good content and all that, but when editing your video, you need to make sure that you add text, like let text slide right into it. You need to make sure that you add transitions to your video. Like when you started watching this video up to this point, I'm sure you have been seeing some transitions that have been taking place. It's going to keep the viewer longer, it's going to keep the viewer engaged to the video, because it's not just seeing a particular screen from beginning to the end of the video, it's just a particular screen. But when you add transitions like zoom in, zoom out, you add up, slide down, and different tops like that, the subscribers or your audience or your viewers rather will stay longer on your videos. So you need to make sure that when editing your videos, add all these concepts to your video, add transitioning, add text, add images. When you're trying to lay emphasis on some things, make sure you do all those transition and all that, so people can stay longer watching your video, and of course so you can. Last and the final reason why your YouTube channel is not growing is because you are not promoting your content. Like you just post on YouTube and then you go back to sleep and say, okay, till when next I come again to post another video. Nope. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, you need to make sure that you promote your videos. YouTube cannot promote your videos very often for you, especially when you don't have much subscribers, especially when you don't have much people watching your video. YouTube will not promote that video. So you need to make sure that you as a person, you as the owner of the channel, promote your video, promote it on YouTube, promote it on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on WhatsApp. Just share the link and share it to your friends. Okay, please share this link, share this, do this and do that. And you can also promote your video while filming your video. You can also include that, okay, please and please while watching this video or at the end of this video, please make sure you share this video and all that. You see, your audience, your subscribers, your viewers will definitely do that if they enjoyed the video or if they enjoyed watching you. So you need to make sure that you promote your YouTube videos consistently. Like whenever you post a video on YouTube, just make sure you promote it to all other social media platforms, and you see that you also have growth in your YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link up here somewhere here, actually telling you how to promote your YouTube channel, like basic ways you can also promote your YouTube channel. I'm going to leave it there, so make sure you watch that video so you'll be able to. Now we've come to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you love to see more of this, or if maybe you have a topic you want to recommend to me, please and please feel free and leave it in the comment section and I will get back to it. Anyways, make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you did. So like this video, share it with your friends, and of course please and please make sure you are subscribed. Like, it is very important you are subscribed, and also hit the notification bell below so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.